You just watched a goal get disallowed. A player was offside by what looked like nothing. Here is what actually happened in that moment. And here is everything else running this World Cup that nobody told you about. There are robot dogs. There are drones catching other drones. There is AI inside the ball. This is the most technologically surveilled sporting event in human history. Start with the ball, the Adidas Trion, the official ball of this World Cup. It has a sensor inside it. That sensor fires 500 times every second, 500 every second, while being kicked at full power by a professional footballer. It tracks every touch, every acceleration, every spin. It also needs to be charged before the match. Like a phone, FIFA keeps multiple charged balls around the pitch so play is never stopped by a flat battery. The most watched object at this World Cup needs charging. That is where we are. Every stadium at this World Cup has 12 dedicated tracking cameras. They track all 22 players simultaneously, not just where they are standing, every body part. 29 data points per player, 50 times per second. Arms, legs, shoulders, head, all of it, all the time. That is over 30,000 data points every single second, just from the cameras. Before this tournament, every single player was body scanned, 1 second per scan, a complete digital copy of every footballer at this World Cup. When an offside happens, the AI uses your digital avatar to reconstruct exactly where your shoulder was at the millisecond the ball was kicked, not where you were standing, where your shoulder was, measured to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters, the width of your hand. Goals are being disallowed at this World Cup that would have been allowed at the last one because of 10 centimeters. Here is the important part. The AI measures, the human decides. The system gives the referee a recommendation. The referee still makes the final call. AI has been trusted with measurement, not with judgment. When the technology is wrong, the referee is still responsible. Good luck to the referee. For the first time in World Cup history, referees are wearing body cameras. All 104 matches, every referee, body camera. You can now watch the game from the referee's perspective. It will also show exactly how much abuse referees receive from players up close. FIFA says the cameras will help fans understand decisions better. Some people think it is for training future AI referees. One more thing, there are robot dogs patrolling the stadiums at this World Cup. Boston Dynamics Spot robots. In the United States, 4 legs, cameras, sensors. In Mexico, the city of Guadalupe bought their own robot dogs for $145,000. Their job enter dangerous areas before police officers do. And there are drones that shoot nets at other drones to catch them midair. The 2026 World Cup is the most technologically surveilled sporting event in human history. The game has not changed, everything around it has. The next time a goal gets disallowed, now you know exactly what happened. 500 data points per second from the ball, 12 cameras, 29 body points per player, robot dogs, drones catching drones, all of this for a football match. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome.